Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something exciting in store for all the pickup truck enthusiasts. The 2026 Toyota Hilux is coming, and it's bringing some serious upgrades to one of the most popular and beloved pickup trucks in the world. Toyota has completely reimagined the Hilux for 2026, and let me tell you, it's looking like a game changer. From its bold new design to its enhanced performance, improved comfort, and state-of-the-art technology, the 2026 Hilux is set to dominate the market and give rivals like the Isuzu D-Max, Nissan Navara Frontier, Ford Ranger, and Mitsubishi Triton L 200 a run for their money. So what exactly can we expect from the 2026 Toyota Hilux? Let's dive into all the juicy details. Design, tough yet modern. When you think of the Toyota Hilux, the first thing that comes to mind is probably its rugged and workhorse persona. But with the 2026 Hilux, Toyota is making sure it keeps that toughness while adding a more modern and dynamic look. First up, the front end is getting a major facelift. Expect a larger, more upright grille with a contemporary grid pattern that's designed to make a bold visual statement. The Toyota logo will likely be more prominent, giving the Hilux a strong, commanding presence on the road. The headlights will be streamlined and modernized with integrated daytime running lights, DRLs, that add both style and functionality. These subtle yet impactful updates will give the Hilux a more futuristic appearance while maintaining its signature, rugged charm. The side body lines will be more dynamic and fluid, with possible curves and character lines that give the Hilux an energized and youthful feel. Larger fenders, especially on the 4x4 variant, will enhance the off-road performance while giving the truck an even more muscular stance. And at the rear, expect to see LED taillights that are more contemporary and eye-catching, possibly with some three-dimensional features or sleek horizontal lines that help modernize the overall look. Performance, power, efficiency, and off-road capability. The 2026 Hilux isn't just about looks. It's about performance too. Toyota is giving the Hilux some serious upgrades under the hood to make sure it continues to lead the charge in the world of pickup trucks. One of the most exciting powertrains is the 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This combination provides a boost in fuel efficiency and helps reduce CO2 emissions by up to 5%. The mild hybrid system also enables regenerative braking, which improves energy efficiency and refines acceleration, giving you a smoother and more responsive driving experience. For off-road enthusiasts, the GR Sport variant is going to be the one to watch. With a wider wheel track, an upgraded KYB monotube suspension, and a more powerful version of the 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, the GR Sport is engineered to take on the toughest terrains with improved stability and enhanced off-road performance. Whether you're tackling rugged trails, rocky paths, or muddy tracks, the 2026 Hilux is ready to rise to the challenge. Interior, comfort meets technology. Inside the 2026 Hilux, Toyota is aiming to strike a perfect balance between comfort, technology, and practicality. Expect a more technologically sophisticated cabin with the latest in infotainment and driver assistance systems. Upgraded materials will ensure the interior feels premium while maintaining the rugged, durable nature of the Hilux. With improved seating and better ergonomics, the 2026 Hilux will provide a comfortable and relaxed driving experience, whether you're on the road or off it. Toyota will likely include driver-focused tech and a large infotainment screen with all the necessary features to keep you connected on the go. Plus, don't forget about the cargo space. As always, the Hilux will offer generous bed space for all your gear, tools, and any load you need to haul. Hybrid option, the future of pickup trucks. For those who want the best of both worlds, power and efficiency, Toyota is likely to offer a hybrid variant of the 2026 Hilux. This option will provide a balance between performance and sustainability, with reduced emissions and better fuel economy, while still delivering the kind of power and reliability the Hilux is known for. Safety, Toyota's commitment to protection. When it comes to safety, Toyota continues to raise the bar. The 2026 Hilux will be packed with state-of-the-art safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Toyota's Safety Sense suite will ensure you and your passengers stay safe on any journey, whether you're driving on highways or off-road trails. Rivals, competing with the best. With tough competition in the pickup truck market from brands like Isuzu, Nissan, Ford, and Mitsubishi, the 2026 Hilux will need to bring its A-game. But with its improved performance, modern design, and hybrid powertrain, the new Hilux is set to challenge the likes of the Isuzu D-Max, Nissan Navara Frontier, Ford Ranger, and Mitsubishi Triton L200 for dominance in the segment. Price prediction. While Toyota hasn't officially released the pricing for the 2026 Hilux, we can expect it to be in the range of $40,000 to $55,000, depending on the variant and trim level. The GR Sport version, with its upgraded suspension and performance features, will likely push the price higher, but it'll still offer exceptional value for buyers who need a tough, reliable, and capable pickup. The 2026 Toyota Hilux is shaping up to be an exceptional addition to the pickup truck segment. Whether you're looking for off-road capabilities, tough design, or advanced hybrid technology, this truck has it all. The Hilux will offer a modernized exterior, improved performance, and innovative tech, making it the ideal choice for anyone in the market for a versatile, powerful, and efficient pickup. Are you excited about the 2026 Hilux? Let us know in the comments below. And make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars and trucks hitting the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.